What's up, YouTube? Good afternoon from chilly northeastern Ohio. It's about 17 degrees here today. I happen to have a trio of 7.3 Powerstrokes here, all three of them different in terms of their engine modifications. So I thought, why not do a cold start on all three of them? A triple cold start. I know somebody's going to get on here and say, oh, it's 17 degrees, that's not even cold. Okay, shut up. Nobody cares. It's not our fault you live in Siberia. For most of the world, 17 Fahrenheit is chilly. Cold enough to do a cold start on a diesel. So what do you say? So we've got three trucks here. This one is a 96 F250 bone stock. Stock injectors, stock intake, stock high pressure oil, stock fuel, stock. Maybe we'll start with that one. This one over here, my personal truck. Stage 1 injectors, electric fuel, stock turbo, 17-degree high pressure oil pump, intercooled, exhaust, doesn't really matter, whatever. This one here, big red, stage 2 injectors, which means they're 160/80 nozzles, electric fuel, Terminator 500 high pressure oil pump, S366 turbo on a T4 flange. Very different trucks, all three very different. So I figure, what the heck, let's see if we can get this to work. We'll see if I can get all three of them to start. Starting with stock. If I can get the door open. Last time I drove this truck, I had a little issue with the glow plug relay. So we'll see if we can make it go. I think the glow plugs are running. Give it a few seconds here. Wait to start light is out, but on these trucks, that doesn't mean anything. Glow plugs are still probably running. I think the glow plug relay in this truck is going bad. Voltmeter moves around a little bit while they're running, and it didn't start real well for me the last time. We'll give it a good long while here in hopes that this works. Oh, see that? It finally caught. Did you hear it click and see the voltmeter tick over there? That's funny. So now the glow plugs are running. We'll give it a few seconds here. I got to get another glow plug relay to put in here. Comment below what your favorite glow plug relay is. I've got a Stancor relay, great big monster in my personal truck, the white crew cab. I've heard other good things about Western plow relays. They're not real expensive, and they're readily available, and they say that they're heavy duty. They last pretty well in that capacity. So, all right, let's see what happens here. Look at that. Let's see what we got for smoke. She's a little smoky. It's cleaning up a little now. way. Can you see it better? Not really, huh? All right, one down. Let's go on to the next one. Stage 1 injectors. 160 over stock size nozzles. She's pretty crunchy. It's cold. Alright, let's see what happens here. Manual truck. For those of you millennials, that means you need both feet to drive. I shouldn't pick on millennials, but I do. They're an easy target. Hipsters. I should pick on hipsters. I shouldn't pick on millennials. That's how that is. I should pick on hipsters. What do you think? Glowing long enough? Let's see what happens. It's alive! Oh yeah! Laying down a smoke screen. Pretty good through that 5-inch straight pipe. All right, 2 down. On to the third one. You know what? I don't think I have a key for this one. Alright, I'm back. Hey, I want you to see this. I've been sitting here idling for just a couple minutes. All cleaned up. All stock. Alright, let's see what the big dog will do here. Batteries in this one were a little weak when I started it the other day, so... 282,000 miles on this one. Again, not stock. Light is out. See if we can make some smoke. Ah, look at that. This one sounds different for a couple of reasons. One is that turbo. Different turbo design, different impeller, different size housing, just sounds different. The other reason I believe is that it's got a bigger downpipe. This one has a full 4-inch downpipe. Whereas the stock truck has the pancake in it. This truck has a 3-inch downpipe. Can you smell it? There you go. Cold start. 3 times over. I don't know why I like this, but I do.